La Cascada Velo de Novia, or Bride's Veil, is a beautiful waterfall located in Chiapas. Once you see the waterfall, it's really easy to see why it's called Velo de Novia. After climbing 970 steps, you reach Velo de Novia, and the view is just beautiful. Of course, along the way, there's some vendors and you can buy some refreshments. Once you reach the top, you have two options to get down. You can go those 970 steps down, or you can do the zip line. And of course, we did the zip line. And now enjoy the rest of the video, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.
Cascada de Chiflon. Okay, we made it here. It's super beautiful down here. Sorry. Go picture, Fabián. It's good. Double check on Fabián.